Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce loud sounds when listening to music on your headphones running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So your iPhone analyzes your headphone audio and reduces any sound that is over a set decibel level. This is for your safety as it protects your ear, as sometimes this can lead to permanent damage. So let me show you how to enable this feature called Reduce Loud Sound. So first you want to go into Settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see Sounds and Haptic. Tap on it. Now here you want to tap on Headphone Safety. On this page you're looking for Reduce Loud Sound, which is right here. You want to go ahead and enable this feature. Once you enable this feature, you'll get this option here. And here you can use the slider and set the limit of when it'll start to reduce loud sound. So that is how to reduce loud sound when listening to music on your headphones running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.